Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about why I use the Smart Fill tool over the Weld tool a lot of times. I had somebody question that on one of my videos, and they said, why don't you just use the Weld tool? So I'm making something right here. I'm going to put P and put it in the center of the page. I'm actually playing with a puzzle that I might make a video on. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And that's kind of the shape I want. I'm going to lower my graphic just a little bit, and then I'm going to get the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to delete these lines. Now let's make a duplicate of that. Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to weld this one. There are two parts, so it'll weld together, and that works. But on this one, I'm going to Smart Fill. So remember that the Smart Fill is going to be on the left hand side. I'm having trouble picking my pick tool. And I'm going to left click, right click. We'll get rid of this now. And here's the difference. This is the Smart Fill on the left. We'll grab the shape tool and click on it. And I've only got 7 nodes and they're all connected. If I grab the welded one, I've got 9 nodes on 2 subpaths. They are together. They are welded together, but these paths are open. As you can see, double nodes. Now they're very easily closed, but that's another step. So if you're doing a lot of work, so that's a lot of times why I use the Smart Fill tool. I think it's a better scenario. Let me just back up here and put this thing back to where it was. We'll look at the nodes again. Smart Fill or the shape tool versus the Smart Fill, and that'll help you a lot if you're doing something with the shape tool later on. If you grab the shape tool here, you know, which node are you actually grabbing? Even though it is grouped together, the shape tool doesn't think it is. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.